Namo Buddhaya. For all of us, even as little children, we have goals, we have expectations. But don't ever bound yourself to those goals and expectations. Because if you think about it, in the past, the expectations we have right now, people had in the past for themselves. People had wishes to become doctors and engineers, to go outer space and do many things, to be rich and famous, to be happy. But where are those people today? They're not here anymore. Those people have been all caught into this trap called death. In the same way, everyone in the whole world, we're all equal in the sense that we're all leading to this one endpoint, and it's called death. As we live our life, we shouldn't think too much about our goals and expectations, because those will come and go. But the merit we collect today, it's not just for this life. It transcends this life. We bring it to our next life. So, dear friends, collect merit before it's too late. And don't bring yourself down if you can't achieve your goals. Because if there is anything, there should be just one goal. And that is to gain merit to end suffering from samsara. Namo Buddhaya.